Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw lease documents into DocuSign from a no-code app step by step clearly. Open your no-code application. Locate the section for document management. Find the lease documents you want to withdraw. Select the lease documents that need to be sent to DocuSign. Look for the export or send option within the app interface. Select the option to export or connect to DocuSign. Authenticate your DocuSign account if prompted. Choose the appropriate DocuSign template for your lease documents. Map the fields in your lease documents to the fields in the DocuSign template. Confirm that all relevant information is correctly aligned. Initiate the export process by clicking the Export or Send button. Wait for the confirmation that your documents are successfully sent to DocuSign. Open your DocuSign account in a new tab or window. Navigate to the Completed or Pending Documents section. Locate the lease documents that you just exported. Review the documents to ensure they are in the correct format. Make any necessary adjustments or edits within DocuSign. Send the lease documents for signatures as needed. Monitor the status of the lease documents until all signatures are collected. Once fully signed, download or store the completed lease documents as needed. You have now successfully withdrawn lease documents into DocuSign from a no-code app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.